Alright guys, in the previous class I talked about plugins and I said I was going to show you how to download plugins. So when you open your Adobe XD, come to your menu bar, your top left, okay? Come to plugins. You can see all these plugins down here. These are the plugins I already downloaded myself. But since you are a newbie, your own will not have these plugins, okay? So to access the plugins, go to browse plugins, come here, browse plugins. It's going to open. It's open your Adobe Creative Cloud. So you come to search. You can search for any particular plugin you want to download. You come over here. So you select the app XD. You are downloading for XD. Okay. So anyone you check here, the plugin will come out. But we are strictly downloading for only XD. Okay. So you check only SD. You have, like I said, this is Adobe Creative Cloud. This is where you see almost all your, not almost, this is where you see all the Adobe softwares. So we are working strictly for with SD. Okay, so you come here, search for, you check in your SD, you come here, you search for any design, any plugin at all. Let's say you are looking to download a map plugin. So search for map. Okay, remember plugin helps you to just drag, to just click, drag. Okay, instead of you creating from scratch, it gives you an already designed icon. So this one showing installed, I already installed them. In your own, it's going to show get, like this one. I've not installed this one. Okay, so anyone at all you want to install. So that is it on getting, on downloading plugins. Come here, download all the plugins you need. This icon for design, very important, very important. A lot of plugins here that you need. Okay, a lot of plugins. Just download them and try them out. Right. So once you download the plugin, it will automatically go straight to your Adobe XD. Let me download one here so you see. Smart layout. Let me download the smart layout. Get. So okay, you can see here it is installing plugin. So you give it time depending on how fast your network is. Okay, so it has installed. You can see installed smart layouts. All right, so remember where to find your plugin. Come to your bottom left, these three icons here. Come here. So I downloaded smart layout, right? So let me look for it here. Smart layout. See here, smart layouts. Downloaded smart layout. So you see, easy. See you in next video.